Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews. In this video we are talking about iOS 10.2 Beta 1, which has just been released by Apple. So in this video I will discuss the new features of iOS 10.2 Beta 1 and also how it will affect the future jailbreak. And here we have a list of the new features that are included on iOS 10.2 Beta 1. So I will leave a link down in the description of this video to this article, so if you want to read it you can go ahead and you will find it in the description. So we have 3 new wallpapers, new widget for the videos app, you will have new preserved camera setting, also new emojis and also new press and hold to speak on the home button settings. So let's go ahead and discuss how this will affect the future of the jailbreak. So in the worst case scenario, the Pango team will wait for the release to the public of iOS 10.2, which will of course take time because Apple will probably release 4, 5 or even maybe 6 betas of the software before it releases it to the public, which will probably take more than a month, and then we will have to wait even more than a month for a jailbreak to be released to the public, which may take as long as the end of December before we can see a jailbreak for iOS 10 get released to the public. But there are also some good signs because last year, if you remember, iOS 9.1 was still in beta when the Pango team released the iOS 9 jailbreak, which means that if this new update by Apple has fixed any of the bugs that the Pango team might use on the iOS 10 jailbreak, then they will go ahead and release the jailbreak even before iOS 10.2 is out, which means that the jailbreak for iOS 10 can be very close to release. So we will have to wait and see how it will turn out. Even we will have to wait for iOS 10.2 get released to the public, or we might see a jailbreak get released pretty soon by the Pango team, or maybe another team like Taiji. Who knows, maybe they will release a jailbreak for iOS 10. But our hopes are on the Pango team, and hopefully this new update fixes any of the bugs that they used on the jailbreak of iOS 10 and we can see it get released to the public very soon. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I just wanted to update you with what's going on and how this new update will affect the future of jailbreaking. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Also go ahead and follow me on my social media. You will find all the links in the description of the video.